Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, today in this video, I am going to cover interview experience of one of the candidate who has interviewed today. That means 28th of July 2023, and time was 11 a.m. and duration was 20 to 25 minutes, and he was from non-IT, that means ECE branch. Friends, one more important thing. So they have kept the pattern similar, like they're asking more about projects. So you should know how to explain your project in the interview. This will only decide that you should get inside Accenture or not. This will only decide that your selection will happen or not, right? So you have to explain your project very brief, clear, and crisp, so that we will be discussing in this video. But first, let us have a look at what all the questions were asked in today's interview. So the first question, so see, the first question will be always asked like, tell me about yourself or introduce yourself, so that the candidate becomes little comfortable, because everyone, like, so everyone will have little, even though you have given some interview, you will be definitely nervous during your interview. So tell me about yourself will be the first question, or introduce yourself. Then the interviewer told to the candidate, you look nervous, let's have a friendly conversation. Because see, many of the interviewer, when they will see the candidate is nervous, so they will try to calm them down. Okay, they will ask some question which is not technical. So then the next question was, tell me about your family, so that the candidates becomes little normal to answer the question. Okay, then you have mentioned multiple projects, tell me the one which you think is useful for the human being. So friends, actually he has mentioned a lot of I mean, he has done some 2 3 projects, right? So including the final year projects. So the interviewer only asked, so you tell me like which project you think that it is useful for human being. Like suppose friends, some kind of projects you have done for agriculture purpose, for medical purpose, right? So this will help a human being, right? Then what motivated you to do this project? I mean, what was your inspiration and you did this project? What are the tech stack you have used? Like, you have used Java, Boot Spring. So there are a lot of things what you have used. So then he told, and then he was asked some question on the JavaScript. Okay, friends, then why you took so long to complete this project, right? Friends, so the duration he has mentioned, like, this duration to that duration. So definitely one question will come, so you have to explain. See, all these questions, many will not be prepared, that why you took so long to complete this project and all those things. Okay, now friends, before moving to the next question, I just wanted to tell you, friends, so if you are new to our channel, do subscribe and click on bell icon, so that you will be getting, like, Accenture like preparation videos or interview preparation videos, right? How to explain each and everything, hiring videos. Okay, and the next thing is, friends, see, if you want to make your career in data analytics or software development, right? And if you have completed BE, BTech, BSc, BCA, BBA, BCom, and if you are passed out in 2021, 2022, and 2023, then there is a best opportunity for all of you, right? So you can land a job in data analytics and software development. Now there is a live webinar which is on Wednesday, 2nd of August 2023 at 5 p.m. IST. Please mark this in your mind. Please mark this in your calendar. So Wednesday, 2nd August 2023, 5 p.m. And registration is completely free. You do not have to pay anything. So here they will tell you the complete roadmap. How is data analytics? What is the future? All those things you'll be coming to know. And there are only limited slots. So please register as soon as possible. The link is in description. Okay. Now, friends, the next question was right. So question number 9, did you help your teammates for the projects or they helped you, right? So obviously you have to tell that you only helped them. Then the next question will be, so what help you did to them, right? I mean, did you help them in coding? Did you help them in integration, right? So all these questions will come. So friends, basically on from project side, no, so you have to like prepare yourself in a better way. Then did you enjoy working in a team, or you wanted to do the project alone? Friends, this is a very uh, this is a question which will test a lot of things in you, right? See, you might tell, sir, no, I want to do it alone. So if you want to do it alone means you are not a team player, right? So that's what the interviewer wanted to know. So did you enjoy working in team? Because when you work in team, definitely the class will happen with your friends, right? Okay, so friends, you have to tell, even though whatever happened, you have to tell you enjoyed a lot working in a team. And why IT being from non-IT? Because he was from non-IT background. So this is the expected question. Everyone has to expect if you're from non-IT background. Where do you see yourself in the 5 years? So 5 year down the line. So many will tell, sir, I will become the CEO of Accenture. Okay, friends, that is not possible. In 5 years, you cannot become the CEO of any company, right? So you can say, sir, in 5 years down the line, or don't say, sir, after 5 years I will change the company, after 2 years I'll change the company. No. So after 5 years down the line, I will see myself in a respectable position in Accenture. Okay. Now, what if the team lead does not help you after you join? So friends, after you join, you will be assigned under a team. So the question was, what if team lead does not help you? Many will tell, I will go and complain the manager. So all those things, right? So you have to tell, sir, I will understand, I know what is the problem, why he is not helping, and I will talk to him, I will sort out the problem. So that kind of behavior. And definitely the last question was, so do you have any question for you? So you have to ask, sir, which technology I should study, or which technology I should get the information before I join Accenture. So he will understand that, okay, so you are like, you wanted to learn something before you join. So that shows your curiosity to curiosity that you are a tech savvy, and definitely you will be a asset for the Accenture. Now, friends, this question, so many of you, or almost 95% of students are getting asked that explain your project. Okay. Now, friends, there are many students who are passing the unnecessary information, and that's the reason. See, your selection and rejection, definitely they have to reject, right? See, they will not select everyone, they have to reject. So they are getting the points, and these are the points where they will be able to identify, or they will be able to decide that you will be working in Accenture or not. So friends, always remember, don't do this mistake. So when they ask you to explain your project, it should be brief, clear, and crisp. So you tell what is required, okay, and it should be very much clear. And if more than one project, talk about the important project, right? See, as I said, like if you have done 2 3 projects, you talk about only one project, you know which you have more confidence. Filter out important and interesting point. Friends, you have to tell the interesting point. Like when you are doing the project, see, they should not ask you what are the difficulty you faced. So when you're explaining the project, that time only you say, sir, we had a and lot of challenges, lot of sleepless nights, or something you have to tell, so that the interviewer, basically you have to impress interviewer, and you have to sell yourself in the interview. Mandatory points to be included: name of the project, purpose of the project, and always try to relate with human or society benefit. Tools, technology, platform, hardware used for project, your role in project if not a solo project, interesting fact, challenges, learning. These are the 5 points which you should and must mention inside the project. Okay. Now, okay, like example I'm telling you, my final year project is, so basically I'm telling you about my project when I was in engineering. Okay. So my final year project is irrigation of field using mobile SMS. The main purpose of the project is to help farmers. So basically we are going to help the society. With the help of this project, farmer can irrigate the field sitting at home using mobile SMS. We have used microcontroller, PCB board, and programming language used is C programming. Also with the learning, we also faced a challenge in the program in the matching the contact number. Okay, so basically like when you are sending the SMS, no. So definitely we will be having this microcontroller in the uh, put in this machine, right? Irrigation machine, and then you have to send the messages. So matching the contact number with the digits configured in the microcontroller, right? Okay. So interesting fact is, even we can switch on our fan, bulb, even any electronics devices from outside if left switched on. So suppose at your house, if something is switched on, maybe your geyser or maybe your fan light, and you went to movie, so from there you'll be able to switch it off, right? So these are the interesting facts. So keeping in mind that you have to do well in the interview, and I wish you all the best. So take care, and definitely you will get selected, don't worry. Thank you, take care, bye bye.